Welcome back, guys. I'm here with CurlsCurls again. As I open the box, I see the bag with the wig, which we're gonna get into. But before I get to that, I did get a goodie. I got this brush, and I also got an information booklet, and that's everything as it relates to goodies. And you know, it's just talking about how to care for your wig and stuff. It's filled with information, so I think that's really good. So this is today's wig, guys. We're working with this 3C/4A curly hair. This is actually my curls. This is how my natural curls are, so this is gonna look so natural for me. This is a 1x4 parting lace, okay, drawstring wig. Yes, it's a kinky curly, as I said, Easywear Everyday Wig. And this is, I'm gonna put the specific length and density down below, so please go ahead and check that. But it's very nice and full, but it's lightweight, it's not heavy, so I do love that. This is a construction, as I said, 1x4 parting lace, and it has a total of 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and then the drawstring as well. This makes this made the wig really easy to wear. Like I know for sure this is what makes one of the factors that make it so easy for everyday wear, because all you have to do is tighten it to your preference. It will be very secure, so you don't have to worry, and when you're ready you just kind of loosen it again. But that's how that looks. Very natural looking parting because it's lace, so that's nice. This is also, I feel like, very low maintenance. When you're ready to detangle the hair, just take it off, brush it out, put it back on, and then it's only this small bit of lace. So very natural looking. I love it. And a natural 1B color as well. You're not seeing through the wig. It's nice and dense. You know, the hair looks really believable, very realistic. So shout out to CurlsCurls for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys how easy and quick this installation is. Literally in 5 seconds. Perfect for my beginners. And it fits perfectly. All I'm gonna go ahead and do is tighten the bit in the back. So let me show you guys how it's done. So you just want to ensure the comb is in, and you just adjust it to how tight you want it to be on your head. And that's it. I just take the string and I push it beneath the cap, and I'm good to go. For this bit of lace in the front, we definitely don't need that, so you just go ahead and you cut that away. And voila. Very easy, very quick, very to the point. Okay, very to the point. That's how we're looking. It's very low maintenance. It's not much to it at all, really not much to it. All I'm gonna do is kind of just run my fingers through the wig so that, you know, I can have that like nice big fluffy. Also, let me give you guys a shake test to show you how secure it is before I go any further. It's not going anywhere, guys. It's really secure on my head, like so secure. I love it. So I'm just, as I say, running my hand through this. If you want a nice big curly fro vibe, this can definitely give you that look. Yeah, for sure. 100%. 100%. Like, and of course you could keep on going if you want it to be bigger. And then I'm just kind of shaping it. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Really nice big fro vibe. Like, what? Yeah, Yeah, definitely. And it's given Black History Month for sure. I love it. It's gorgeous. Definitely, if you're going for that big hair look, this wig will definitely, you'll love it. You will love it for that look because it just forms perfectly and you can keep on playing with it. As I said, it will definitely get bigger. So yeah, so now that I show you guys it in like a big fro like state, I'm gonna go ahead, get some water, and then also, you know, give you guys that wet damp look if you want the curls to be more like defined and, you know, like tamed. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in that state as well, but this is how it looks with the fro vibe.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out.
This is how it looks. See, it's still very, you know, voluminous. It's not flat, so that's really nice. It's just a way to get it more, you know, defined, and it looks really good. Really good, you know. So that's how we're looking. It's very, you're not seeing through the hair. That's beautiful. I love that. So yeah, CurlsCurls definitely made this wig very realistic and very convenient. By the way, I didn't show you guys, but if you want extra security, they did send this elastic band on the inside as well as 2 extra combs, so you could go ahead and add it to your cap. But I feel like the cap is pretty secure and not even in there yet, so that's great. But yeah, that's it. That is it. You know, it's only a 1x4 closure parting, so I mean, there's not much to really do than where it's in a center part, but I mean, it looks great. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. That is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.